How to fix COD Black Ops 3 split screen not working. 1. Check hardware compatibility. 2. Update the game. 3. Modify Steam controller settings. Enable general controller settings under controller configuration in your Steam settings. 4. Run the game as an administration. 5. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Scan the game files. For Steam players, refer to the IMG below. 6. Clear the cache data of Steam and Battle.net. Steam, C:\program files, x86, /Steam Battle.net. C:\program files, x86, /Battle.net 7. Try using Steam in big picture mode. 8. Reinstall the game.